What's up guys, my name's Mark and welcome to Making Mark. Today we're going to kick off our first build series for the channel. So without further ado, let me show you the project. Okay, so what is the bike? The bike is a 2004 Honda CRF80F dirt bike. It's in pretty good shape to ride, but it does need some work. I think for the most part, we're not going to do a full restoration on it. We're just going to do, we're going to clean it up a bit, paint where paint needs to be, new tires, new chain, new carb, adjustment, things of that nature. So you're probably asking yourself, why did you choose this project? Well, this is the project that was available for me. A close friend of mine gave me the dirt bike a while back to hold on to because just where he doesn't live, he doesn't have room for it. He doesn't have room to ride it. He doesn't have room to work on it. So that's why I took it. And I have two young boys, Connor and Owen. One of them is 5, one of them is 8. They'll be 9 and 6 here pretty soon. I want to teach them how to ride on it. In this episode, I was just kind of doing the bike reveal, but in the next one, we're going to just try to get it started, and then we're going to go from there. Well, if you happen to come across this video and you like what you see, you should consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Peace!